Okay, this is a video on how to fix this leak from underneath the mirror. It seems to run through the hinge and then run down here, and it runs for days, and it's actually leaving marks on the car which you have to polish off. I've drilled a hole in here, but then I noticed that it blocked up, so there's obviously dirt in there. So I've just altered the other side. So I'm going to pull this one off and do the same thing. I'll clean it out and polish the area that's underneath it. So just using the tool you get with the Jeep. Simply a matter of undoing these. You don't have to undo any wires. As I said, I've already done the other side. Put it back together. So they're both undone. They are fairly long screws, and so that's what I'm dealing with. That was the bottom one. Just bring it to oops. So you got your wire there. I've done the other one, I just let it hang, but you can see so this is a gasket, pulls off. You can see all the dirt inside. So I clean that out, and then there's actually a little groove there that the water's supposed to run out, and through the gasket it's supposed to come out through there. So what I did, just using a blade beside the actual hole that I've got in there anyway, and just cut that and V it out. I think you can see the one on the other side. Yeah, if it's going to focus. No. But yeah, you can see it's actually a groove in there. Probably would have been a bit better than the hole, but either way, I let all the water out. It's probably a good idea to actually hose in around the mirror to flush that dirt out, so it just dries in there and makes it a lot harder. Alright. So I'll just do that. Just to give you an indication, there was a lot of dirt up underneath there. Try to get it out, but that's what I'm getting out. See it all on the ground. That's what's come out of this. So yeah. So just run a V in there, which will line up with that gasket. So the gasket just pulled off, don't have to rip it. hopefully you could basically flush it. So obviously there's a hole in here which runs down through the body and back out there. So next time it has a bath, I'll run the water through and hopefully flush any more of the dirt out. So yeah, just be aware that these seem to be plastic, so even there's a metal thread in there, I wouldn't go too ballistic on tightening it up. You don't want to break them. That's it.